The Samsung Galaxy M20 will get a teardrop-cut frameless screen, expected in early 2019. The Samsung Galaxy M20 demonstrates that the South Korean giant is quite capable of bold experiments in terms of design. This concept has received the trade name Infinity U. On the Galaxy M20 renderers on the network, it looks more impressive than even Samsung's flagships of the year. For example, the frames on the sides and on top of the screen are of uniform thickness and almost invisible. The protective glass of the smartphone from the leak clearly demonstrates that Samsung is capable of serious changes like the top models of the company. The Samsung Galaxy M20 has 4 mechanical buttons: power management, volume up, down, and call, the Bixby-branded voice assistant. Fingerprint scanner, a classic. It is located on the back of the case. As you can see on the renderers, the Galaxy M20 got a dual main camera. According to insiders, its main module has a resolution of 13 MP. The auxiliary module has a resolution of 5 MP. The principle of operation is the same as that of most inexpensive two-chambers, that is, an additional sensor is used to measure the depth of space. According to the popular Geekbench benchmark, the Samsung Galaxy M20 is based on the relatively inexpensive 8-core Exynos 7885 chipset, which offers, nevertheless, quite decent performance and is manufactured using a 14nm process technology. The Exynos 7885 processor includes 4 powerful ARM Cortex-A73 cores operating at clock speeds up to 2.2 GHz and 4 energy-efficient Cortex-A53 at 1.6 GHz. The graphics accelerator, however, is relatively weak, a dual-core Mali G71MP2, that is, in the Galaxy M20 games it will look not very. The strengths of the chipset, which is the basis of the Samsung Galaxy M20, include support for eLPDDR4 memory, Bluetooth 5.0, LTE Category 12/13 networks, and an 802.11 AC 2.4 plus 5.0 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi adapter. The maximum data download speed in 4G networks reaches 600 megabits per second. Transmission 150 megabits per second. Despite the very advanced processor, the Galaxy M20 modification tested in Geekbench has only 3 GB of RAM, which is not serious by today's standards even in the case of a mid-level smartphone. It remains to hope that this was just a prototype. Galaxy M20 has a battery capacity of as much as 5,000 mAh, which is currently a record for Samsung cell phones. For this new product can be forgiven, perhaps, even the 8th Android, and even 3 GB of RAM.